Wait,
We're here.
get in the boat, get in the boat.
I'm in.
I wasn't
Go.
sure you, look.
Oh, go,
Look, you
go.
see that over there?
Just leave
You see that
him.
over there?
Just leave him.
Please
Hurry.
don't leave me.
Go.
I'm
Look,
scared.
look,
No,
look.
actually, don't leave me. Chill out.
Chill.
Chill.
Leave
Leave
him.
him. Scary.
I can't barely.
Wait, how do we get out? How do we
Wait,
get out?
wait, there's zombies everywhere.
Wait, Dream,
Go.
this way, this way.
Go, 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 go.
Sneak, 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 sneak. Oh no. Dream.
Oh, the zombies are just leading me right to where you guys are. There's so many zombies. Help! 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 Oh my god.
How did you
There's so
find
many
us?
zombies.
How did he find us,
There's
George?
zombies like
Oh my gosh. Okay, George, just hug me, George.
I'm just hiding in here. Get out of here.
Just hug me, George. We're gonna
No.
die. Okay, we're gonna.
Okay, you guys can come up. I killed the
We
base. Come up,
can't
come up,
survive this.
Come up. I
How?
killed the
We're
base.
not
It's
gonna
safe.
come up. I'm one
You won't
hit,
get-
Sapnap.
Okay. Oh god. All right. All right.
Oh, you were gassed.
Let the
Yeah, I
tree
just heard that,
speak
guys.
You just hide.
Dream, we can't do anything.
Block us.
Hey, wait, stand back.
Okay, don't hit me, please.
I'm trying not to. I don't want to just be in a one-by-one
Oh,
with
it's
you.
fine. It's fine.
I'm just
No,
trying to-
stop!
Oh my god.
Oh my god, we have to do that whole thing again.
All right, I'm getting some charcoal.
I have my eyes closed and it's no different.
It's a little bit different with your eyes closed.
Yeah, you can't see your hotbar. I just did the same thing. I turned all my logs into wood again. Oh wait, why did I make a smoker? I didn't make torches yet.
Do you have any logs left?
No, I need to get more. I just turned the log into planks. Okay, I need.
This is the dumbest challenge ever.
I literally don't
Go,
have a
go,
boat,
go,
guys.
go,
I don't have a
go.
boat.
Who
No,
cares?
seriously, this isn't funny. I don't have a boat.
It's kind of
Please.
funny.
Please,
Bye,
please,
Sapnap.
please don't leave me. I don't
Leave,
have a boat.
leave him, Dream. Leave him. Look at him flashing. Look at him flashing.
But I can't see him. He's doing SOS.
It's like one short, one long, one short.
Bleep. Bleep. You can't even see him anymore, George. You can't even see him. Oh my god. My eyes. This is actually disgusting. Oh my god. This is.
I feel like I can't even walk straight.
I can't. Here, come to me. Where are
I
you?
just fell off this tree. Okay, wait.
Oh my god.
This is so bad. This is I. This is so bad, Dream.
George. George. George.
Oh my god, my eyes.
This is horrible. Please kill me now.
Whose eyes?
Who made this?
I can't even move. I'm just stuck here.
Oh my god, I'm about to die.
Oh no, stop! Move!
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Wait, is this it?
Have you feet trapped? No, dude.
No, this is what happens when you fall down my trap. I mean, my hole.
You're trapped. What's wrong?
Oh.
What's wrong with you?
It was an accident. I didn't mean that. I built up a
You're
bit too high.
You're trapped.
I see your house. I see your house.
Why did you fall down my trap? This is
Man,
a team
Dream
game,
is
you know that,
dying,
right,
you guys.
George? This
What?
is a team game, you know that, right?
I don't know why I even said that. I don't know. Wait, where am I?
I can't stop.
There's like a.
Oh my god.
It's just so stupid.
I'm just tiring up. I can't be bothered anymore. Where's the house? I see another Enderman as well. I think we should turn.
What the heck, man?
Wait, where am I?
Oh my god. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna pee myself.
What? Did you say he's gonna pee himself?
I'm gonna be
Okay, I got 3 eyes ender. Ready? We'll go outside and chunk it.
Chunk it?
You mean chunk?
What?
Oh my god.
What's in my? Why did you place netherrack?
Dream. What is wrong with you?
You just got pranked. Alright, guys, legitimately, stop for a minute. Like, I literally have to chill for a minute. Like, just my trap. Like, why'd you fall? That's what you get for falling into my trap. What the hell's wrong with you, George?
So I'm drinking water. Stop.
This guy's a psychopath. Where's the end
God.
thing?
Oh,
What the
no.
heck? How do we all manage this?
Alright, stop. Everyone stop.
I thought that we were in the stronghold.
Get out of my face. Alright, I'm going down now.
Move!
What the heck?
Oh god! Oh my god!
Did that work?
Kill him! Come on, George! What's wrong
Trying.
with you? What's wrong? Why is it running from us?
Please.
Get it!
Bring him to me.
Yes!
Ah!
George, you sounded like you just got stabbed.
No! What are you doing? Where's the lava?
We could make a diamond.
We're gonna jump down there.
Wait, did we be here already?
Did we be here?
Okay, stop making fun of me. Alright, sweet. Oh my god, there's a... Get this zombie!
Eat chicken.
What? What is wrong with you?
Eat it!
We're down half a hunger bar, and we have no health.
Eat the chicken.
And it's such a waste. I'm not eating it. All right, listen. We switch to the lava, and you
Okay.
switch to the water right after. Okay?
Wait, hang on. Wait, let me get the numbers right. Wait, what is wrong with me? Alright, there. I get
Okay.
it. I'm ready.
No! Oh wait, we have a pickaxe anyway.
Just mine the obsidian. What are we doing?
Hey, get this.
Pick it up. Oh my god, what are you so close to the end? Oh my god.
Yes!
Oh no.
We need bread.
Eat. Oh!
We're Neo. We're flipping Neo.
Wait, just place
Eat the bread. What are you doing?
I thought you were gonna. Oh.